Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Salesforce Authenticator app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Salesforce Authenticator is a security app designed to provide two-factor authentication, 2FA, for Salesforce accounts. It offers push notifications for easy login approval, time-based one-time passwords, TOPS, and the ability to link multiple accounts. The app also supports biometric authentication and backup options to keep your account secure even if you change devices. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users find Salesforce Authenticator convenient for approving logins quickly and securely. Its intuitive interface and real-time push notifications reduce login friction, making it simple for professionals who access Salesforce frequently. Many appreciate the backup and recovery options, which help prevent account lockouts. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users experience occasional delays in push notifications, and the setup for multiple accounts can feel a bit cumbersome. Additionally, its usefulness is limited to Salesforce accounts, so it may not replace a general-purpose authenticator for all online services. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Salesforce Authenticator app may be worth using if you're a Salesforce user seeking secure, fast, and reliable two-factor authentication. It excels in convenience, real-time login approval, and account protection. However, if you need 2FA for multiple platforms outside Salesforce, you may need an additional Authenticator app. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.